Here are 5 proven strategies that will revolutionize your approach to finding real estate bargains. From tapping into the power of direct mail campaigns to leveraging the hidden gems found in networking circles, we're diving into the tactics that seasoned investors swear by. Ever considered the potential goldmine hidden within ugly houses? Or the adrenaline rush of scoring big at property auctions? Get ready to uncover these secrets and more as we guide you through the path to profitable property investments. Don't miss out on your chance to unlock the door to real estate success. Let's dive in. 1. Direct mail. Don't let your mail end up in the trash bin. You need to grab attention and make your message pop. How about a catchy line like, "Is your property giving you more headaches than my ex? Let's chat." Adding a touch of humor can open doors and hearts too. But remember, timing is key. Sending your mail at just the right moment when sellers are starting to consider selling can make all the difference. It's like catching worms early in the morning, but way less slimy. So, get creative with your mail. Maybe include a personalized note or a quirky postcard, and hit the sweet spot with timing to reel in those real estate deals. After all, a little humor and perfect timing can turn your mailbox into a goldmine of opportunities. 2. The power of networking. Your connections can be your currency, but let's not be that awkward relative who only talks about their amazing business opportunity at family gatherings. Instead, be genuine, show interest, and hey, a little charm never hurt anyone. And if you're more of the introverted type, no sweat. The internet is your best friend. Online forums and virtual meetups are just as powerful for building connections. Who knows, you might even stumble upon your real estate soulmate in the digital realm. Remember, networking isn't just about collecting business cards, it's about building meaningful relationships. So, put yourself out there, whether it's in person or online, and watch your real estate network grow like never before. After all, every new connection is a potential opportunity waiting to be discovered. 3. Dive into data. Imagine yourself as a savvy investigator combing through property databases, auction listings, and Google Maps like a pro. These tools aren't just for show, they're your secret weapons in the quest for real estate gold. With property databases, auction listings, and Google Maps in your arsenal, you'll be uncovering hidden opportunities faster than ever before. So, get ready to dive deep into the world of data and unearth the deal of a lifetime without the need for any fancy detective work. It's all about leveraging technology to your advantage and making informed decisions that could lead to big profits in the world of real estate investing. 4. Embrace the ugly. See beyond the peeling paint and overgrown gardens. Where others see despair, you see potential. It's like dating. Sometimes you gotta look past the bad haircut. Assessing the true beauty beneath the surface is key. And remember, the only thing scarier than a haunted house is overestimating your DIY skills. Sometimes it's okay to call in the pros. So, don't shy away from properties that need a little TLC. With the right vision and a willingness to invest in renovations, you could turn that ugly duckling into a beautiful swan of a property. Just remember to weigh the costs and benefits carefully and know when to seek professional help. 5. Auction adventures. Auctions are not just for art collectors and antique lovers. They're adrenaline-filled arenas where fortunes can be made. Just don't get so caught up that you come home with a vintage lawn ornament instead of a house. Prepare, set your limits, and maybe practice your poker face. Winning at an auction is great, but winning at the right price? That's where the real victory lies. So, go in prepared, stay focused, and be ready to pounce when the opportunity arises. With the right strategy, you could snag your dream property at a steal. Just remember to keep your cool and stick to your budget. The thrill of victory is even sweeter when you know you got a great deal. With these strategies, your journey to uncovering hidden real estate bargains is on a sure path to success. Remember, every master was once a disaster. It's your turn to turn those real estate lemons into a lucrative lemonade stand. Your quest for real estate enlightenment doesn't end here. Subscribe, share, and like for more wisdom from the real estate sensei. Drop a comment below with your own real estate adventure or a strategy we might have missed. Until next time, keep sharpening your mind and your deals will follow.